Hey guys, let's continue our discussion on parts of computer networks, and in this tutorial number 8 we will be discussing we will be exploring a simple office based network. And let us suppose that in an office we would like to share an internet connection, and it's a little older office, so we have got modem, and the modem is attached to router, our router is attached to a server which has got hard disk. So it is called a storage server. So all the office work is stored on this server, and we have got a printer attached to the server, a laser printer. Therefore, this server is also acting as a print server. So it's a print plus storage server. If you do not know what a server is, then you may think of a server as a very powerful device, a very powerful computer which serves other computer in the network. So friends, let's suppose our router is attached to a switch, because it's an older network and we would like to explore different parts of computers networks. Therefore, we have got a switch in our network diagram. And then we have got two workstations. You may think of a workstation as simple computers, but they have less computing power, and usually they use the computing power or the storage plus print services of the server. Therefore, we call them as workstations. They can be desktops, laptops, tablets, etc. So we call them workstations, and they both are connected to a switch. And our boss has got a laptop, and he is connected to the network via router, and he is using the Wi-Fi signals to connect to the server. So friends, we have already discussed that this laptop, these workstations, this switch, this router, this modem, our server, and our printer, they are all called as nodes. And this copper cable through which our modem is connected to the internet, this cable, copper cable, this copper cable, these Wi-Fi signals, this copper cable, they are all used for communication between different devices, so that different devices can communicate with each other. Therefore, we call them communication media. And most of the people, when we talk about networking, they think of modems, routers, and switches also switches as the networking components, and they think that networking is only related to only these components. But in this network diagram, we have seen that networking consists of simple network consists of nodes and communication medium, plus these nodes, some of these nodes are used for networking. Therefore, they are called, let's suppose, networking devices. So friends, we have explored that a simple network consists of nodes, for example, workstations, computers, laptops, mobiles, tablets, and communication media, for example, Wi-Fi, wireless signal, microwaves, copper wire, etc. And they also consist of networking devices. So friends, thank you very much for joining me for this tutorial. See you in next tutorial, and please visit ifacner.com and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.